All right, welcome everybody. I want to thank y'all for joining us for the certified break tonight. Before we get started, just want to remind you, like and follow our Facebook page. We've got several more breaks planned. I do know our next break, we're going to do one team. It's going to be free. So once we have all the teams and we start the live, one person will get a refund on it and get all the cards for that team free. And I will put out more info on how we're going to do that later this week. But let's jump right into it and get started. We got Takaris McKinley, Tyler Boyd, Amari Cooper, Phillip Lindsay, Carson Wentz, Byron Murphy, Fred Wagner, Travis Kelce, Robert Foster, Ezekiel Elliott, Darius Geis, Kerryon Johnson, James Washington, Dalvin Cook, Montez Sweat, Romeo Okwara, Russell Wilson, DJ Moore, Deshaun Watson, John Johnson III. Then we have a Zach Bond green extra point rookie card. Then we have a Jared Pinkney green rookie. Then we have a Chris Godwin worldwide. We have Austin Eckler inside the numbers. And we've got Ozzie Newsome, the old school. Youth Movement, Gardner Minshew. Cesar Ruiz, rookie. CeeDee Lamb, rookie. Get that one sleeve. Desmond Patman and Steven Montez. Now we'll get all these sleeved up. Let's get the top ones for now. And after the video's over, we'll go ahead and get those sleeved up. Camera a little messed up. Is it out of focus? I've had some other people say it goes in and out of focus, I guess. How's that? Is that? Let's try. Does that look any better there? We got Drew Brees, Devontae Adams, Minkah Fitzpatrick, Keelan Doss, Danielle Hunter, Lamar Jackson base, Sam Darnold, Jaron Brown. I'll try to go a little slower, maybe that'll keep it from going out of focus as much. Ryan Tannehill, Jalen Ramsey, Raheem Mostert, Clayton Githers, Ed Oliver, Preston Williams, Odell Beckham Jr., Julio Jones, Uchenna Nwosu, Dak Prescott, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders. Then we have a Ross Blaylock green, extra point rookie. A Jerry Jeudy green rookie. We have Harrison Butker inside the numbers. Julio Jones, Prestigious Pros. Impressions, Drew Lock and Drew Pearson, Old School. Brian Edwards, rookie, and Chase Claypool, rookie. Isaiah Simmons and Tua. Just a base rookie. Brian Burns, Jonnu Smith, Jared Goff, Dede Westbrook, Jared Cook, Adrian Amos, James Conner, N'Keal Harry, Bryce Love, Marvin Jones Jr., Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Kenyon Drake, Nick Mullen, Tyreek Hill, Joe Mixon, Chris Godwin, Dexter Lawrence, Harrison Butker, Geno Atkins. And we have a Trayvon Diggs, green extra point rookie. And Tommy Stevens. And we have Joe Mixon, Powerhouse. Auden Tate, Worldwide. Christian Okoye, Old School. Derrick Henry, Honor Roll. Antonio Gibson, Michael Pittman Jr., James Morgan, and A.J. Terrell. We got Cortland Sutton, Casey Hayward, Javon Wims, Jacoby Brissett, Devin Singletary, Devontae Parker, Levante David, Younghoe Koo, Keenan Allen, Tariq Cohen, Stephen Gilmore, Eric Kendricks, Gus Edwards, Ty Montgomery, Sony Michel, Corey Davis, Aaron Donald, Leonard Fournette, Traquan Smith, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, and then we have green Willie Gay Jr., extra point rookie. And Denzel Mims, green, extra point rookie. Matthew Stafford, prestigious pros. Chris Godwin, highlight reel. Calais Campbell, honor roll. Bernie Kosar, old school. And we got a Jerry Jeudy, rookie base. Antoine Winfield Jr., Dalton Keene, and Michael Pirine. All right, we'll go ahead and get into the certified. Should be 2 autos, 2 mem cards in this box. Box. All right, we got Sam Darnold, Christian McCaffrey, David Johnson, Odell Beckham Jr., and Justin Jefferson, 2020 rookie. All right, we got Frank Clark, Khalil Mack, Alvin Kamara, we have a Mark Ingram to 450. Then we have the greatest, John Elway. Chandler Jones, Miles Sanders, Patrick Mahomes base, and we have Adrian Peterson, teal to 50, number 15 of 50. And then we have Daniel Jones, seal of approval. Well, we got Marlon Mack, Juju Smith-Schuster, Deebo Samuel, our freshman fabric, Tyler Johnson for Tampa Bay, number 83 of 499. And Keyshawn Vaughn. One's for the Bucks too. We got Devin Singletary, Joey Bosa, Baker Mayfield, and we got Jarrett Stidham, certified potential auto, number 89 of 99. And we got stars, Derrick Henry. All right, we got Cooper Kupp, Dak Prescott, Damian Williams, and then we got a Jacob Eason. Looks like a gold to 25, number 5 of 25. And then we have Kyler Murray, seal of approval. That feels good. Got another mem card in this one. We got Allen Robinson, Michael Thomas, Deshaun Watson, and Gabriel Davis, rookie patch. And then we have Christian McCaffrey, gold team. Three more packs. We got David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Phillip Rivers, Laviska Shenault Jr., rookie, to $3.99. This is just a silver. Filler card. And then we have Jimmy Garoppolo Gold Team. Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, Stephon Diggs, and Darrington Evans. Red, numbered to 199. And then we have Deshaun Watson, Stars. And last pack. We got Von Miller, Sonny Michel, DJ Moore, and we have Joshua Kelly to 199 for the Chargers. And we have another filler card. And we have a Stars DJ Metcalf. We'll do a quick recap of the top hits. We had Josh Kelly to 199. Jimmy Garoppolo Gold Team. Laviska Shenault Jr. Rookie to 399. And Christian McCaffrey Gold Team. Jacob Eason Gold Rookie to 25. Adrian Peterson Teal to 50. Mark Ingram to 450. Justin Jefferson, Jerry Jeudy base rookie. Tua, and another of the Prestige green extra point Jerry Jeudy. Then we had Gabriel Davis rookie patch, not numbered. We had Tyler Johnson, freshman fabric, rookie, numbered to 499. We had the Darrington Evans for the Titans, red rookie patch for numbered to 199. And then we had Jarrett Stidham to 99. Certified potential auto. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Like I said before, follow our Facebook page for upcoming breaks, and we'll do some giveaways and things like that. But really thank y'all for the support, and I'll get these out tomorrow. Have a good night.